Welcome to English Listening Podcast at the Grammar Mentor channel. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Listening Podcast. Today, we are going to listen to a story about a day at the market. Listen carefully and try to understand the grammar and vocabulary. Let's begin. It is a sunny Saturday morning. Anna wakes up early because she wants to go to the market. She says, "I am going to buy fresh vegetables and fruits today." Anna puts on her jacket and leaves her house. She walks down the street and sees many people. The market is busy and full of colors. At the vegetable stall, Anna asks the seller, "How much are the tomatoes?" The seller replies, $2 per kilo. Anna says, "I will take 1 kilo, please." Next, Anna visits the fruit stall. She wants to buy some apples and bananas. She counts the apples and says, "I want 6 apples." The seller smiles and says, "Great choice." The apples are fresh and sweet. Anna pays for the fruits and vegetables. Then, she walks to the bakery. She sees many types of bread. Anna decides to buy a loaf of whole wheat bread. She says, "Please, 1 loaf of whole wheat bread." After shopping, Anna goes to a small cafe near the market. She orders a cup of coffee and a sandwich. She sits down and thinks, "I love coming to the market on Saturdays." Great! Now, let's reuse some grammar from the story. Notice the use of the present continuous tense. I am going to buy fresh vegetables. This tense shows a plan or intention in the near future. Look at the questions and answers in the market. How much are the tomatoes? $2 per kilo. This is a common way to ask for prices. Also, notice the simple present tense for facts. The apples are fresh and sweet. Thank you for listening. Practice repeating the sentences and try to use them when you go shopping. See you next time on the next English learning video. Don't forget to subscribe and share.